Hey everybody, this is a Craftsman lawnmower. It's pretty cool. Has a Kohler 16 horsepower engine in it. I think my dad got it at Sears in 2000 because that's when we moved here. We have a huge lawn, including the backyard, so we needed something like this. We used to use that. It's the yard machine, 6 horsepower lawnmower. This hasn't been started up in late August, so I'm gonna start it up and see what it'll do. I'm gonna put the camera somewhere where it's not gonna be too close to the tractor because it's loud and I don't want it to ruin the microphone. Where should I put it? Alrighty, I don't know where to put it. It's not gonna stay up. You know what? I'll just do it from here. I don't know if it'll start or not. I gotta have my foot on the brake before I do anything. See if we have contact when I turn the key. Yep. Alright. It's in neutral. Alright, let's do this. It's cranking real slow. I have to choke it, but I can't do that with one hand. Can't figure out where to put this iPod. Oh, you can't see anything if I do it there. I'll do this. Sorry if that's making noise. Alright. Let's try it now. Only this time I'm going to sit and break. Alright. Take 2 with the choke. Now that's a lawnmower. It never lets me down. Never. Never. It's a big cloud of smoke though. Did you see that? I hope I caught that. Good girl. Alright. Alright, so long.